Okay, so it seems I'm live, but I'm not sure. Let me just verify once. If I'm live. Okay, so it says I'm live, but okay, so I don't know. The network is not good here. So let me know, how is the network and how's the clarity? Because I can see on my phone everything looks cool. Okay. Yeah, that's great. So we can go live. So I can see so many questions are popping up, and there's one change from YouTube. We were notified earlier by YouTube that they are going to stop Hangout. So, earlier days I used to go live using Hangout on air, which YouTubers get to go live. But now they are moving their platforms. They are, instead of using Hangout on air, they are preferring you to use. Let me just change the angle of it. Yeah, so now we have to use this webcam. That's a new one. We can also use webcam. We can use, what are the options we had? We had stream. So you can use some external encoders to stream live. So maybe I will try to go next time live with an encoder. And this time, instead of using a normal webcam, I'll be using DSLRs. Let's see how that works. We are still in a plan of using DSLR for the next live. Let's see. Even the webcam works. This gives a better quality than mobile phone. That's great. At least the thing I can see is good. Okay, so I can see a lot of people are watching this. Hit that like button, everyone. Nowadays we are hitting this benchmark of 400 viewers at one moment. That's great. So hit that like button, everyone, if you enjoy my live session, and I'll start picking your question in some time. That's great. So like is going up. Thank you so much, everyone, for your support and love. So yes, recently we have crossed 6 million, or not 6 million, 600,000 subscribers, and that was a great achievement. We are looking for 1 million views, 1 million subscribers now. Let's see how fast we can reach that. It's all about providing good content. It's all about providing high-level content. So that's the basic things. I know you are waiting for blockchain. So if there's a question about this on blockchain, when we are going to start, yes, once I complete my training, which I'm busy with, we'll surely resume with the blockchain series. We'll focus on some of the part of Spring which is left. I will cover that. So I can see so many questions are popping up. I should have edited that part. But let's see. So at the start itself, we got a super chat. Oh, thank you so much, Riaz. Wow, smart nerd live again. Oh, thank you so much, Riaz, for the super chat. And yes, I'm live again. So this week you can expect some videos from my side. From a long time I was not able to upload videos, but soon in this week we'll surely push. At least I have recorded one video, so that's all. That will be coming tomorrow or on Tuesday. But I'll try to upload more videos this week. Okay. Hamid says, nice to see you, or nice to see you again. Same here. Nice to be live on YouTube again. Okay. Okay, questions are just going up. Farooq says, you are genius. Thank you so much. And then we got one more. Rohan says, Hitesh, sir, referred you for Spring. Oh, that's great. Referred by Hitesh is a good thing. Thank you so much, Hitesh, for the promotions. Great. Okay. So we got one more super chat from Riaz. Thank you so much, Riaz, once again. Recommend tech for software development. Tech means what? You want to know about the technologies using which you can build softwares, or the software for software development, right? Yeah, in terms of language, the current trending language is Python, as everyone knows. But yes, Java is also great. See, if you are working on Java domain, let's say if you work on Java, JVM level languages, and then the entire ecosystem is of Java, it's time to move to Kotlin because that's trending. So you can learn that. Java is not bad. It's just that the advancement which is happening in Kotlin and other languages is way more than Java. Anyway, the code which you write in Java Kotlin gets converted into bytecode, and using Java also you do the same thing, right? So I would suggest if you are in Java domain, go for Kotlin. Otherwise, you can also refer for backend. That's Java. You can go for Kotlin. For frontend, I would recommend you to go for React or Angular, quite famous. Otherwise, you can also choose in terms of cloud. So if you want to deploy your application, I would suggest to go on cloud as well. That's bit that's also amazing nowadays. What else you can do? So we have cloud. In fact, in cloud, think about it, working on AWS or GCP, but AWS is quite famous. If you want to work on let's say PaaS, which is the type of cloud, you can go for Cloud Foundry. So Pivotal has its own Cloud Foundry framework. You can choose that. What else? Try to use proper IDEs and then work in agile framework. So there's so many things coming up. So I'm not sure what should I say. Go for so if you can be more specific, Riaz, I can answer that. Okay, we got one more super chat from Madhusudan. Thank you so much once again, everyone, for the super chat. Okay, next question. Just okay, questions are just going up today very fast. I should use my phone to see the questions because that screen is far behind. Okay, so one word for SRK. Oh, you want me to say something about SRK? Charm. I love. Okay, I'm a big fan of Shah Rukh Khan. Is that you're talking about SRK? So, yeah, big fan. Okay, happy Friendship Day. Yeah, happy Friendship Day, everyone. Not realize that. Okay. Uh, okay, just calm down. Okay, so there's some disturbance here. Okay, make series on AWS. We already have a series on AWS. I don't know if you have seen that. So just go to YouTube and go to our channel. You will find a series on AWS. You already have that. Any courses on Docker? Not yet, but soon will be. I'm planning to launch some courses on Docker. What some courses? One, one course on Docker. Uh, Okay, what should I learn after Python? So if once you have done with Python, I would suggest you to go for Django for web development. You can also go for machine learning. But just because you know a language, Python doesn't mean machine learning will be easier for you. But if you are interested, you can do that. Okay. Can I visit your office in Bhandup? So Vaishnav says, the thing is, I'm not in Bhandup as of now. So that was my earlier office. So the address which is given on Google for Telesco office is actually my brother's office, which is a hardware shop, basically a hardware repairing shop, which is in Bhandup. In fact, that's what you get, right? So if you search for the Disco on Google, that's what you get. But our office is in Kalyan. We are planning to have meetups here in Kalyan, not in the office. It's just that we have a very small office. You can see it's a very small office where we have small setup. Uh, it will be difficult to manage all. So that's why I'm not sharing this address with anyone. But soon we can have meetups, and then in fact I got one more call about the meetup. I mean, someone wanted to visit to my office, and then even we want that. Okay, I guess there's some work is going on. Maybe we have to shorten off our life today, but let's pick the next question. So Flutter courses, please. No, Flutter is not in my list as of now. I wanted to make Flutter series, but there are so many things lined up. That's why I'm not able to do that. Okay, next question is which language is best for Android application? As of now, Flutter, work on Flutter framework, which uses Dart language. So best courses for machine learning. Not sure about machine learning, not into that. Okay, Chintu says, what is a Telesco meaning? So Telesco is basically a Telugu word which means get to know or knowledge. But most of the people don't know how to pronounce it, and that's why I said tell usko. So that's how I promote it. Okay. Where's the question? The question just went up. Okay, what's your take on using reactive toolkit for compute intensive application? The complexity here is less IO and more computation. Yeah, that's the future, right? We have so much of data coming up, and we want the even application to be more responsive to the events. So yeah, that's the future. Reactive applications. In fact, even in Java, we have RX Java. Then Spring 5 supports that reactive framework. So that's the future. Okay. Well, Vandana, is it Vandana? Yeah. Can you speak in Hindi, please? Yes, I can. But being an global platform, we just don't have viewers only from India. It's from different places, from US, from UK, even in India as well. Not everyone speaks Hindi, so that's why preferred language is English. But yeah, so once we meet face to face, and if you come to the meetup, the language which I prefer is Hindi. So it depends, So where we are and where we are discussing. But yes, on YouTube, it should be a language which everyone understands, which is English. बट अगर बात करना ही है हिंदी में हम कर सकते हैं. Okay, next. Thank you. Surya says, thank you so much. Your Python tutorials were amazing. Oh, thank you so much for pointing it out. I'm just glad it's just helpful for everyone. Blockchain, Gurunchi, Cheppandi, okay, so it's a Telugu. Okay, yeah. So yeah, soon I'll be continuing with the blockchain series, but till that point, you can watch my blockchain videos, or you can also watch the TEDx video. So you can just go to Google and search for TEDx Naveen Reddy blockchain. There's a video available on TEDx platform. You can watch that as well. Okay. Django or Flask depends, what type of work you're doing. So I preferred Django because that's good for web development. But if you want to make web services, I guess Flask is better. Okay. PHP or Python? Why not both? It actually depends upon what you're exactly doing. So if you want to get into web development, PHP is good. But if you want to have a global set of stuff, you want to work in machine learning, maybe web development or clients, some sort of scripting, Python is great. Java scope for freshers. In fact, Java is everywhere. So whenever you want to get a job nowadays, it doesn't matter which language you know. In the interview, they will ask you for Java questions. that's the thing. In fact, when I join companies as well as when I go for training, most of the people, they know C++, they know Python, but they need to take a training in Java because that's the language which enterprise uses. Okay, so we got a super chat from SK Mohinuddin. So the question as well, WebSphere admin is good for career growth? Yes, but depends. Don't just stick to one thing. So yes, at this point, admin level work is a bit tedious and they need so many people. But soon, things will be getting automated there as well. As of now, it's good, but try to get into cloud as well. So if you really want to get into that field. Hello, sir. Will you teach Linux? As of now, I don't have a plan of working on Linux or making videos on Linux. But let's see. We got one more super chat here from Akash. Thank you so much, Akash, for the super chat. It's always helpful. Okay, machine learning. No, I should make a FAQ. So what other things will be coming up in the future and what will not be coming in the future. Okay, so yeah, I can see so many people are watching this. That's great. Sunday lives are great, So we got so many people watching. So hit that like button, everyone, if you enjoy the live sessions like this. Okay, so yeah, machine learning, Flutter, Linux is not in the list as of now. Okay, I don't know how bad their voice is. I can see someone is drilling it. Okay, Shivam says, what is your qualification? I have done my master's in IT, which is MSc in IT. Okay, so we got one more super chat from Madan. Thank you so much, Madan. Okay, that's how when a donation always works. Okay, AI or machine learning? When you're doing machine learning, you're actually into AI. So why there's an or there? Okay, how can we connect via mail? So we got one more super chat from Dilip. How can we connect via mail? So we have so the email ID for Telesco is connect@telesco.com. So you can just send the mail and then our team will reply. Okay, next question is Java is hard, sir. Okay, Java is not difficult. It depends upon from where you're learning. I'm sure if you watch the video, which is of 4 hours, I don't know, 6 hours of Java tutorial, which we have on YouTube, I guess if you watch that, that will be enough and that will be easy. I mean, I've done my best to do that. But yeah, it is not simpler than Python or PHP language, but yeah, it is not that difficult that you cannot learn. Okay. DevOps career, that it is great. Most of the people, they are looking for DevOps people. In fact, soon, tomorrow or day after tomorrow, I'll be uploading a video regarding this technology or this part. I will not be teaching DevOps, but something with that. Okay, so I guess we are hitting the new benchmark of 500 viewers at the same time. That's great. So hit that like button if you enjoy this sort of sessions. Okay, what do you suggest if you get stuck with PHP? Oops. Try simple examples. When you get stuck with complex stuff, sometimes time to go for something easy and then make it work. I learn. So whenever I have something to learn, and if I get stuck, I try simple examples. That works. Okay, we got so many members today. That's great. So we got new member, and we got one more super chat from Akash. Okay, here's the question: how to start Java in online? How to start Java in online? Do you want to say teaching? YouTube is preferred. Okay, why everyone is giving angry signs? Okay, so we got angry signs from Somendra and Angular. You want Angular, so why you're angry on me because I'm not pushing Angular videos? So we have an Angular course on the paid platform, which is not created by me. One of my colleague done that. So you can prefer that. And we got one more angry sign from Pujar. After JavaScript, which one is better, Java or Python? If you are into JavaScript and if you want to work in backend, you can do that with JavaScript as well. I don't know if you know about mean stack, MEAN stack. Otherwise, Java is great. Vamsi says, so you are from? I'm from Mumbai, born, brought up in Mumbai. But yeah, but my native is in Telangana. Okay, next question. Best courses or courses to learn algorithm? Best way to. If you want to learn algorithm, read articles, watch some videos, and the most important thing is you have to write it by yourself. Code it. So learn the algorithm from online and code it by yourself. That's how you do it. Okay, we got one more super chat from Ramanuj. Thank you so much, Ramanuj. And the question is, hello, Navin Garu. I liked your video, how to be a corporate trainer. I like the way you explain things and would like to meet you in future. Sure. We'll meet. Soon we are going for a lot of meetups. Mumbai meetup is coming in August itself. I'll be announcing that soon. Okay, next question. And we got some more angry signs. I don't know why everyone's angry today. Okay, Dilip says in Udemy is that the entire Spring course. So when you say entire Spring course, no, it's not entire Spring course because see, when you learn a language, so let's say Java, and if you learn everything, that's good. But when you learn frameworks, when you learn technology, it's about how to use certain example. When you talk about Spring, we have so many modules, right? We have Spring Code, we have Spring MVC, we have Spring AOP. If you want to learn everything in detail, then it will be a separate course, right? So you will be having a separate course for AOP. 4 hours course on AOP, 4-hour course on Spring MVC, but it's not possible, right, to teach everything. So the idea is to give you the scenario, how all this thing works and how to use it. And based on your requirement, you can use the things which you want, right? So that's the general idea. Okay, we got one more super chat from Sayak. Thank you so much. Ashik says, Ashik, how do you pronounce that? I'm not sure. So we got super chat from Mr. Nair. That's preferable. Machine learning or AI to learn first? AI basics. You have to understand how AI works. It depends. There are different type of courses. They have different way of teaching. So I would suggest you to go to Coursera, and there are some courses from Andrew Ng. Watch that first. There is a course on Introduction to AI. Watch that first, and then you can go ahead. We got one more super chat from Sohan. Soham, thank you so much. Today we're getting so much. So today we have this amazing thing going on. Two things. One, we're getting so many super chat questions and so many angry symbols. But it's time to skip all the angry questions. Let's pick up the hard questions. Please suggest me which one I should choose, testing or development field. So this question is from Ashish. So testing or development, it depends. It's again a personal preference. I don't know why I'm able to hear my own voice. Uh, so it depends. There are some people they like testing, some people like development. So if you're confused, start with development and test your own softwares. And if you love testing, you can switch that. Okay, we got one more super chat from Ritik. Thank you so much. Okay, Anandpur says, Maja Anandpur says, how's your experience on Udemy? Not good as of now. I don't know. So I tried Udemy, but still I'm not happy. The way the platform is designed, it's good because anyone can join, but that's where the problem starts. People are not sure which is the best course because the moment you search for Spring, there are so many content available. Yes, they do give you 30 days guarantee, but you're still wasting your time watching the courses, right? So still, I feel Udemy is more for marketing purpose, uh, not for something like me. Maybe I don't have a choice. That's why I'm on Udemy, but not happy with it. I mean, personally, I prefer my own platform to host videos. Okay, we got a question from Mrigesh. Mrigesh. So thank you for super chat, Mrigesh. And the question is, what is the scope in IT infrastructure job? It's good, but also move towards cloud infrastructure. Maybe something in AWS, something with GCP. That has a good future. Uh, Vishwa says, do you speak Marathi? Not much. I do understand it all, but can't speak properly. I mean, I can try, but not on YouTube. So, okay. Pratap says, give implementation for binary tree and graphs, please. Yes, that's pending, right? We'll do that. One more super chat from Isanolo. Okay, it's I don't know. I'm very bad with now name pronunciation. So one more super chat from Muhammad, and the question is future of PHP. With PHP 7, it's doing great. A lot of people are preferring it, but since the web development itself is getting redundant now, right? So there's so many tools available using which you can make the websites. So it's time to move on. It's time to move on to something big, because when you prefer cloud for cloud, people are preferring PHP or Java, or Python or Java, or C Sharp, .NET. Okay. Thank you from Netherlands. Oh, that's great. So that's the point. So people are watching from all over the globe. That's why we have to stick to English language. Rohit says, say hi to me, sir. Hey, hi, Rohit. I just hope everyone is enjoying all the courses there. So last 1 year was very hectic. I created so much of content. So I don't know how many of you observing this. 2018 was one of the best year for the content. I uploaded so much of content in month of Jan, Feb, not much in March and April. Then June, July, then Python series came up, Django series came up. So okay, next, what's your view on blockchain? You can watch my videos. That's my view on blockchain. Uh, I'm very excited. So we'll surely make some more videos on that. Okay, we got one more super chat from Madan. And the question is, looking for job change, please suggest. I'm a Java developer with 7 experience. So looking for job change, now you want to do what? So you are from Java. It's time to move on to project management. That's what everyone prefer. Otherwise, if you work on agile framework, you can certify as a scrum master. That's also someone some people prefer. Otherwise, you can work on cloud, you can get into DevOps, you can get into microservices. There's so many options, or you can be a trainer, because industry needs good trainer. If you can teach, be a trainer. It has everything, it has excitement, it has money, it has what else. You can learn new technologies. That's one thing you can achieve in training field. Okay, we got Narendra Modi supporting this. Okay, so we got super chat of 120 from Narendra Modi, and how to become a programmer while being a full-time prime minister. How to be a programmer? It's so you have to hire some freelancer, and since you are busy with all this work, sir. That's right. Legendary Soul says Narendra Modi in chat. Yeah. That's the thing, on YouTube, anyone can create any account, any fake account, or not just YouTube, it's all social media. So we have so many accounts on Facebook, Angel Priya. We have so many accounts on YouTube. So that's how world works. Maybe it's time to connect your YouTube account with Aadhaar card. So that's how you can stop it. Okay. So we got next question. Could you please make a new Java enhanced course GUI plus GUI? Okay, you want better videos on Java? Let's see if I can do that. Okay, Nikit says how you learn so many languages one by one, one by one. So initially I learned C++. I spent so when I say so now I know multiple languages. So I know C, C++, Java, Python, C Sharp, Kotlin. That's it. JavaScript. So I can't. Scala. So we have so many languages, right? So I have not learned everything in 1 year. It took me a lot of time. I'm into industry from last 10 years now, so it took time. So it will take time for you as well. It depends upon the requirements. So I was working on some projects which needed Scala. I was working on some project which was using Kotlin. So I've learned it and made videos for you. Okay. Thank you so much for your videos. So thank you so much. In fact, we got Kapil Dev as well in the chat today. Come on, all the celebrities, join the chat. Okay. Nicola says, trust me, Nicole, you got great knowledge enough to make people love you. Oh, thank you so much. Thanks for the compliment. Okay. After some days, I'm shifting United States, but I can't understand what programming language learn for good job. Java. If you're shifting there, learn Java. That's hot there. That's hot. Okay, next. So last few questions. It's already been half an hour. We are live, and I'm already tired. So I don't know why. Feeling very tired today. Okay. Where's the question? Selenium future at this point is good. I'm not sure about future. Okay, Venkat. So we got super chat from Venkat, and the question is Code Jam 2020 tips, please. So if you want to attempt for Code Jam 2020, make sure you're good with aptitude skills, mathematical skills, and participate in competitive programming. Go to HackerRank, start doing it from today, because you can't simply wait for Code Jam to prepare, right? So start from today, go to HackerRank and learn about, do practice different competitive questions. Try to work on some project which suits real life, and then you're good to go. Okay, next question. How to become full stack developer? I guess there's a video on that. So you just search for how to be a full stack developer, Telesco. You will get a question. Say something in Telugu, Em Chapali. Okay, Sumit says, when are you coming to Tandoori Chai Tilak Chowk? Okay, so maybe today itself. So Sumit, if you are here, we can meet at 5 p.m. What do you say? 5 p.m. tandoori chai. So let's do it. Okay, so if you want to meet, if you're in Kalyan, let's have a meetup today itself. I'm excited. So 5 p.m. Tandoor chai in Kalyan. Let's do it. Okay. Uh, is Kotlin overtaking Scala? Kind of, because enterprise development is still busy with Java, and then some people are preferring Kotlin. But in big data world, it is Scala is still preferred. So depend in what world you're working in. So I can see so many people are watching this. Hit that like button, everyone. So yeah, Sumit done. 5 p.m. We'll meet there. But I can't see your face properly here, so you have to give me a sign. Please do that. So we got new member Abhishek Behera. Yeah, Abhishek. Okay, last two questions and then we are done. I can see so many questions today. So difficult to answer all. I know, I'm not able to answer all the questions, everyone. It's kind of difficult stuff. Okay, where's the question? Bangalore meetup soon. This month or maybe September we'll be having so many meetups. So last one question and then we are done, everyone. Okay, VivoBook or tough? It depends. VivoBook is for, so if you want to carry your machine, VivoBook is great. But if you want to play games, if you want to do heavy work, I would suggest go for tough. So we have both in the office. One is so the laptop which I'm using now for this live is VivoBook. Amazing machine, lightweight. I don't know if you can see this. That's VivoBook. Awesome machine. But if you want to play games and if you want to do heavy work, not a preferred machine, and that's why you have to buy the tough one, which is great. So okay, we don't have tough. We have ROG, which is of kind similar specs. Okay, so Abhishek says I recently cracked my SDET job and I have not enough words to describe how you play a great role in my entire journey. Oh, that's great. That's great. This is the good things which you get. Okay, we got one more super chat from Hitesh Chaudhary. Maybe it's fake one because I had a chat with Hitesh last month and then no, he could have mentioned it. So Naveen, you are doing a great job. Keep it up. So first of all, real Hitesh knows my spelling, so this fake one for sure. Okay, that's it, everyone. That's the live session. Soon we'll be doing one more. In fact, I was planning to do live with an expert. Maybe this week we will be having AWS expert. In fact, one of my co-trainer who is expert in multiple things. Uh, so so we'll be going live maybe somewhere in this week, maybe on Wednesday. I will announce about that for sure. Bangalore meetup is coming next month. We'll surely meet. But this month we have Mumbai meetup. Yeah, so we'll surely meet everyone. I hope you enjoyed. So yeah, I know I was not able to answer all the questions I can see in the chat window. So I please try to understand it's very difficult to answer each and every one. But thanks so much for joining, everyone. I know it's Sunday. I spoiled your Sunday here. Maybe you enjoyed it. So hit that like button, everyone. If you enjoy my live sessions, I will go live soon. And thanks for all the members for joining and for all the super chats. See you in the next live. In fact, I'll be going live for members as well today, only for members. So we'll update that in the community chat. Okay, everyone. Bye bye. See you in the next live session. Bye bye.